Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully. Today I want to share with you how I take my YouTube clips that I have already filmed for YouTube and turn them from formatted this way to formatted this way for me to use in a Instagram Reel, YouTube Shorts, or a TikTok. And I use CapCut, which is free, and let's get started. Okay, y'all, I'm not an expert, but I'm going to show you how I do this. I have two YouTube channels, Living Gratefully and Cleaning Gratefully. I film all of my videos on my iPhone, and I use CapCut a lot on my iPhone, but since I'm using my phone to film this, I'm going to show you on my iPad. It's so easy. I'm sitting in a chair with my blanket on, and it's late at night. I start a new project and add whatever clips or footage I want to use in my short film. This short film is going to be downloaded into my Photos app, so I can upload it into Instagram stories or Reels or use it on YouTube Shorts or a TikTok. After it loads the clips, this will look similar to iMovie in that all the clips will run together in a timeline, but they will be in the original 16:9 format. You can click on Format to change the dimensions to 9:16. Then you'll need to zoom in by spreading your fingers out on the viewer. You'll notice some of your video will be cut out of the viewer by doing this, so this is where you'll need to do some splitting of the footage in order to move that section around so that the subject is in the viewer. You'll also want to split footage and delete some sections because in these short films like YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels or Stories, you want it to be quick and to the point. You can add text on the screen in this app as well, and you can add editing features. My niece taught me how to do like this awesome little sparks flying out of a heart. You can do those kind of filters and stuff like that, but I mainly just wanted to show you in this video how I change the dimension and split and delete and move sections around to make my little short film. In the left-hand corner, it will tell you how long the short film is. It is good to keep an eye on this because you don't want it to get too long for Instagram Reels or Stories or YouTube Shorts. If you want to see what the final product looked like on my Instagram Reels, you can find it at Kathy_living_gratefully. You can also highlight and delete the CapCut section at the end. I, of course, learned how to do that on YouTube. I'm so thankful for YouTube. You can also speed a section up by highlighting it and then clicking on Speed. You can change the volume of the clip as well. After all my editing, I got this down to 20 seconds, so I feel good about that. Let's roll on. Then you click on the up arrow in the top right corner to download this new short film into your Photos app. I'm not tied to CapCut, and this video is not sponsored. It's just what I've been using, so y'all let me know if there are any other similar apps to accomplish the same thing. Comment below and let me know. I'm making an Instagram Reel tonight, so I'll go into Instagram, start a Reel, and then select this little short film. From here I can add music and text and stickers and a caption and tags and all of that, and then post it. That's it, you guys. I hope this helped you out, and let me know if it does. Thanks for watching, and the video I posted right before this was our travel vlog to Pittsburgh. We had a blast. If you want to check that out, please do. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.